2011 Ford F-150 XLT two-wheel drive, 112,000 miles. Gorgeous color. Copper metallic is what they call it, or bronze metallic, one of the two. Gorgeous, gorgeous color. Brand new tires, brand new brakes. Not a door ding on this truck. Tow package. Bed liner. Running boards. Super clean truck. It's the 5.0. 8-cylinder. The video probably doesn't do it justice. It's just a beautiful colored truck. Cloth seats. All-weather floor mats. Sync radio. Tow package. 112,000 miles. Power seat. Power windows, locks, mirrors. Carpet is free from stains. So, a 2011 Ford F-150 5.0 liter XLT crew cab two-wheel drive with 112,000 miles. Gorgeous truck.